Hey, welcome for tuning in today's video. So today what we're going to do is, last episode we pick up the SR22 engine from JP. Again, if you don't know who he is, follow him on the Instagram. He do crazy engine build. You can see he posting a story all the time. I'm gonna post Instagram, his Instagram name. Give him a follow and maybe during the day you get to see what he does. It's pretty cool stuff he does. But anyways, that's what we got. The SR22. So obviously I don't have Travis power, so I have to get things out with the thing with cherry picker. What we're gonna be doing is bringing up some engine parts here, start connecting the pieces together, and we are putting that one into the S15. So today is September, like early September. I'm hoping the car will run by end of the month. So we'll see what we can do and keep you guys posted. So I did spend a lot of hours bringing the parts from the basement to up. And here's so far the parts we got. I don't think we're gonna be using any of these old water pump and harmonic balancer and stuff like that. I probably need those, but stuff like that. The heat maker nut for, or when you start lasting, you need to put oil. So stop lasting, but it's that. Definitely need that. I dropped all this thing on the grass, so it's kind of dirt and stuff. We gotta clean it up, but that will go on the engine, turbo housing. Gotta look into what size of the B-band and stuff so I can connect it. And for some reason these didn't come as B-band, so I gotta order that. I dropped this one too on the ground. Hopefully it didn't damage the fin. Doesn't look like it is, so that's good. More freaking dirt because I dropped all that on the ground. But all that stuff is there. Brand new CD with Mazworks kit. And I'm gonna start putting on these all here. And yeah, that's what we doing right now. After 5 years of sitting, so getting ready for the engine to go in. Alright, so far what I did on this car is put the GK Tech front. Supposedly get, I believe it was 60% more flow compared to that stock one there. These are the Nismo engine mount for the CA engine. And I believe the reason why for that is one, it's a lot cheaper. And the two, it lifts up the engine higher so the oil pump is not as low. I believe that was the reason why. But I'm not sure exactly. Look at this new engine, dude, though. It's no oil, nothing. Everything is clean. Mazworks timing chain, and make sure from JP said, change your nut so it doesn't break, because those are really thin from Mazworks. And just got Nismo thermostat coming in. That's the power number for it. We're gonna put that one next. And these are Toge factory bigger pulley, so it help cool it even better. These are the harmonic balancer. It was already installed. Never lift far, custom made turbo manifold, and then cosmic gasket on it. I just didn't really mount it well because we're gonna have to do most of the stuff first, so might have to take it out. So I just kind of like left it there. So we're gonna get going, put new clutch on inside soon, and then put the transmission, put intake, and put turbos on, dipstick and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing next, maybe tomorrow. So that's what we're doing. Tomorrow we're gonna have my friend coming over, so we can put pretty much everything in. I kind of forgot how it goes. My friend does remember, so we're gonna go from that. Hey, how's this engine wheel?
Shit's junk.
Junk?
Alright, we're putting in Yuki's SR right now.
Yeah.
When it runs, we'll figure out if we're buying one of these manifolds.
Yeah, this thing. Let's find out. Going in tonight, baby. So I didn't really record it because it was such intense. We just got this, but we got finally engine is in the car. Obviously it's nothing is bolted yet, but engine is actually in the car. So I'm pretty hyped. I wasn't thinking to put the engine in tonight, but everybody else is like, I think it's ready to go. So why not, right? So we put this thing in today. I mean, we didn't really did the intake side because the parts was like last minute. I decided to buy a non-stock intake in last minute, so I just bought it. So I guess I'm gonna run that, but you know, it's here. So it's actually in. So yeah, it's in, boys. I just came home. I'm still dressed for work. We are working on this guy today. We just lift it up quick so we can do the transmission mount, put the drive shaft, mount the bottom engine mount and everything underneath, and we get to the top, stuff like that. So we are going to get to that soon. I'm gonna go upstairs and change, and we're gonna get cranking on this one. So we got G-ready kind of, you know, marked it, I would say. We got like few injectors, injector dynamic on, Mazworks fuel rail. These are HKS belts, and you know, just starting to see, you know, nice turbo that I put same one as the R34. I think if you guys see some clip we posted up on Find About the car, that turbo sounds amazing and responsive. I loved it, so I'm running the same stuff on here. So that's that, and I'm gonna have someone make the downpipe, and I gotta adjust something on the intercooler pipe here. The other side, luckily I think it's the right one. Only issue I had was I ordered this intake, and the throttle body. It's nice, but unfortunately these are the S13 ones. So as you can see how big compared to the G-ready one, it doesn't. So if this open, let me see if I can show you this, but you know, I can't. So that's just, well, it can't really show you with the camera, but it's so big compared to that, so it won't open when this like open up, because it just gets stuck and just too big. It doesn't line up anyway. So I gotta get me right one, or I gotta figure out. I don't want to use the stock one because planning on making some big power when I want. So we'll figure out on that. And the transmission lineup, pretty decent, as you can see. That's the new drive shaft. Everything on jack stand now. So we're gonna mock up the bottom transmission side soon, and man, maybe we get to hear the engine soon. So stay tuned. In a couple days we get this thing running. Look at how rusty this thing is. You can see it's been sat for 3 years or 2 years. So alright, boys, we are under the car now, and we got, let me just shine the lights so you can see what we're looking at. So we have, these are the brand new Nismo mount I just put on. Fits nice. Mazworks bracket fits nice. This is a brand new CDO09, a CDO-A they call it, brand new one, with Mazworks drive shaft Last night I checked if it's amazing, so that's good. I was kind of worried that it doesn't fit right or something, but it fits great. And then we're gonna change the oil on this one, so just drain that, put new oil in it, and then yeah, the bottom is done. I didn't bolt it down. I'm ordering a new drive shaft bolt, cause why not? And yeah, so we are pretty good on the down there. So we're gonna work on the engine side again and go from there. On the back, so for the street, it's stronger than usual. Brand new bushing and brand new everything, so that's good. That needs more from Japan. I know you guys can't see, but there's a freaking paint down here. Clear coat is running. Come on, this is like $700 piece here between this and this, but anyway, we're gonna put this one on the car, and yeah, we're gonna put all the adjustable arm too on the car.
This thing is dialed.
We're gonna try to crack this bitch?
Yeah, let's crank her
Oh
over. You
boy.
ready? Nothing.
Nothing, huh?
Nothing?
Are you pressing clutch?
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Oh. Nothing. First try, nothing.
What?
Starter hooked up?
Oh, is it? I think it's the wire is not hooked up.
No, it's plugged in.
Oh,
What's the battery at?
pretty dead. I'm
It's
sure.
not even clicking though. You have a test light?
Yeah. Oh, first try, no start.
Whatever you call it. But finally we got this thing get going.
Almost done with the piping. Got oil cooler finally mounted. The catch can just need new hose. The valve cover is mounted with nice kit. So just gotta figure out the piping on here, and we are pretty much set to go. We did the upgrade on the fuel pump. We got the old one out, and yeah, pretty much ready to go. So hopefully I gotta order a few more parts, but almost done. So pretty excited. Oh, for some reason I forgot to order a fuel regulator. I had that coming in. Pipe pretty much all settled. Got the right clamp that goes fit there. I mean, we do need some work there, but that's the fab job, not me. I ordered some new hose because that was cracking, and boost controls here. And I'm gonna do pipe, making new hose there to there, but that's for, that's what I gotta do. And we're gonna get that car started soon. Putting new transmission fluid on that guy. So we are getting there. So hopefully we get to hear the engine today. It lands. Let's go. Finally lands. So I finished up mounting few regulators, all set. Need to have this wired in. Oil pressure need to be wired in. Fuel pump is all set, and the boost control is all set. Kinda put the heat wrap over here at this area so it doesn't melt. We gotta go get exhaust made and the intercooler pipe to that, and then we're gonna have to bolt that down, and that's pretty much all only thing left. Well, obviously, because it lands now, I can drain the Walmart cheapest oil now, put new filters, and then brand new braking oil. So time to get this engine brake in. Pretty excited. We got this landing in like within a month, like two night, probably two every week. Then there we've worked on it. Pretty hype. So yeah, now we're gonna get that thing made and time to actually drive on the street. The ground. There on the ground on itself. Gotta tighten the lug nut, verify it, but putting these braking oil in there right now. Put a little more coolant. Well, oh boy. Getting these turbo or intercooler made. exhaust made and ready for party soon. Let's go!